are these guys? Aren't they gorgeous? That's my rooster. I gotta get a hold of him tonight. I just found out today, if you look on his little leg, somebody put a band on him and did not take it off. No eggs. See, I have this thing going on here. And my Silkies, they're not impressed with second story. Nobody here is giving me eggs. They're a bunch of freeloaders. Look at them. Freeloaders. I haven't named that rooster yet.